Debt. It's a word that can evoke a range of emotions, from anxiety to aspiration, depending on your financial situation and goals. At its core, debt is simply borrowing money that you promise to repay later, usually with interest. This can be a useful tool if managed wisely. But not all debt is created equal. Some debt can be beneficial, while other types can be detrimental. There's good debt, which can help you achieve your financial goals, and then there's bad debt, which can lead to financial strain. Understanding the difference is crucial, especially when it comes to real estate, one of the most significant investments you can make in your lifetime. Real estate has long been considered a valuable asset class, with the potential for appreciation and wealth creation over time. But navigating the world of mortgages and loans can be tricky and often overwhelming. That's why it's essential to distinguish between good debt, debt that helps you build wealth and secure your future, and bad debt, debt that can erode your financial stability and peace of mind. Good debt is like a strategic investment. It's about borrowing money to acquire assets that have the potential to increase in value over time, ultimately outpacing the cost of borrowing. Think of it as putting your money to work for you. A prime example of good debt in real estate is taking out a mortgage to buy a home. While you'll have monthly payments, you're building equity in a tangible asset that historically appreciates in value. As you pay down your mortgage, you own more of your home, increasing your net worth. This is in stark contrast to bad debt, which often funds depreciating assets or consumables that lose value quickly. Good debt in real estate isn't limited to just buying a primary residence. Rental properties offer another avenue for leveraging good debt to build wealth. By financing the purchase of a rental property, you can generate passive income through rent payments from tenants. This rental income can cover your mortgage payments, property taxes, and other expenses, essentially having your tenants pay down your debt while you build equity. Additionally, rental properties can provide tax advantages and potential appreciation, further solidifying their status as a tool for wealth creation. Section 4. The power of leverage, multiplying returns in real estate. One of the most compelling aspects of good debt in real estate is the power of leverage. Leverage allows you to control a larger asset with a smaller amount of your own money. For example, with a 20% down payment on a mortgage, you can control 100% of the property's value. As the property appreciates, your returns are magnified. If the property value increases by 10%, your initial investment sees a 50% return, thanks to leverage. This ability to amplify returns is a key reason why real estate has been a popular wealth-building strategy for generations. Section 5. Bad debt. A slippery slope. Unlike good debt, which focuses on investments and building wealth, bad debt often revolves around consumption or acquiring depreciating assets. This type of debt typically comes with high interest rates, quickly eroding your financial stability. Imagine charging a lavish vacation or the latest gadgets on a credit card with exorbitant interest rates. The purchases lose value quickly, leaving you with a hefty balance and no tangible asset to show for it. In the context of real estate, bad debt might involve taking out a high-interest loan to finance renovations that don't significantly increase the property's value. Section 6. Examples of good versus bad debt in real estate. Let's illustrate the difference between good and bad debt in real estate with some examples. Imagine two individuals, Sarah and John. Sarah takes out a mortgage to buy a duplex. She lives in one unit and rents out the other. The rental income covers her mortgage payments, and she enjoys gradual appreciation in the property's value. This is good debt. John, on the other hand, uses a high-interest credit card to finance a luxurious kitchen remodel in his rental property. While the kitchen looks impressive, it doesn't significantly increase rental income or the property's overall value. He's now burdened with high-interest debt, for an upgrade that doesn't yield a positive return. This is bad debt. Understanding the difference between good and bad debt is crucial for making smart real estate investment decisions. Good debt can help you build wealth over time, while bad debt can lead to financial strain and stress. Always consider the long-term impact of your financial choices in real estate. Section 7. Conclusion. Making informed decisions for financial success. Understanding the difference between good and bad debt is paramount for making sound financial decisions, especially in the realm of real estate. Good debt can help you build wealth, while bad debt can lead to financial difficulties. Good debt, characterized by investments in appreciating assets and the potential for income generation, can be a powerful tool for building wealth. This includes things like mortgages on rental properties or loans for education that increase your earning potential. Bad debt, often associated with depreciating assets and high interest rates, can lead to financial strain. Credit card debt and loans for depreciating items like cars are common examples of bad debt. By carefully considering the purpose of debt, the potential returns, and the associated costs, you can leverage good debt to your advantage and steer clear of the pitfalls of bad debt. Always evaluate the long-term benefits and risks before taking on any debt. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to navigating the complex world of finance and achieving your financial goals. Stay informed, seek professional advice when needed, and make decisions that align with your financial objectives. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our exciting content. See you in the next video.